Abdullah, it's time for Quran.
Oh, okay, coming. When it slows down. So, guys, get ready for another Tajweed lesson.
Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum, read al-Quran the easy way. Lesson number 13a on Shadda. Shadda is similar to Sukoon but stronger. So remember, Sukoon is a help sign and Shadda is a stronger help sign. So kul plus lu equals kullu. So over here, these two lambs became one lamb with shadda on it. It saves the space. You don't have to write the letter twice. Let's learn how to read words with fatha and shadda. So mess plus seen with all sound, messa is messa. And now let's learn how to read words of shadda with kasra. So a plus ya with e sound, a equals a. So mess plus sa equals messa. And a plus ye equals a. It was very easy, right? Now let's move on. Let's practice more words. When we practice, you guys will understand. Rabbi, 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 Rabbihi, 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 Rabbihim, 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 Rabbaka, 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 Rabbikum, 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 Rabbana, 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 Kullu, 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 Alladhi, 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 Alladhina, الذين الذين التي 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 أيها 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 اتقوا 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 يحب 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 لعلهم 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 فبأي 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 متقين 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 لعلكم لعلكم لعلكم. Rule number 2, shadda followed by med. So over here in Allah, the sound must be stretched twice because Alif med is following shadda. Allah, 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 illa, 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 hatta. With standing fatha, we must stretch the sound twice too. Hatta. حتى حتى ربي ربي ربي. MashaAllah, well done. We have come to the end of the lesson. It was very easy. I hope you guys understood. If you didn't, then just watch this lesson over and over again so that you can become very good in shadda. And that is it. May Allah help us to recite, understand, implement, and propagate this Quran. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.